There's a common myth that SAP is only for big enterprises and that it's too complex for SMEs, but the reality is very different. I'm Nathan Hanson. I've seen SAP from every angle. And now, as head of SAP sales at Percipere, I'm here to show you why SAP might be exactly what your business needs. The truth is, most of the complexity businesses deal with today comes from their existing ways of working, manual workarounds, disconnected systems, and a lack of real-time data. It's not SAP that's complex, it's the patchwork of tools companies have had to rely on. What SAP does is remove that complexity by bringing everything together on a single unified platform. One system, automating non-value adding tasks and providing real-time insights. At Percipere, we specialize in guiding businesses through this transition, ensuring they get the most out of SAP. Our customers tell us that once they're live, they wonder why they didn't move sooner. With our industry-focused package solutions, we make SAP implementation straightforward and effective. If you want to hear more, reach out to me directly on LinkedIn or email us at contact@percipere.co.